By the time you watch this part of the video, we've already made yet another $27. Yeah, as weird as it may sound, it's true. Not only that, we've made $16,305.34 this month so far. Looks good, huh? And no, we didn't create any product or sell anything. In fact, all we did was give out our opinions. I know, it keeps getting crazier. But it's all possible by using a system that leverages a hidden loophole in a $1.3 trillion business. That system allows us to make an average of $27 every time we voice out our opinions. Meaning, we only need to work a few minutes per day to make a decent living like this. And before you jump to any conclusions, no, this doesn't require any previous experience. And no, it doesn't require any upfront investment. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how we do it. You see, it all started when I was struggling in the beginning of my life. I wasn't born with a golden spoon in my mouth. I had a very rough start. And gurus really took advantage of me. Every day they send me a shiny new object and promise me that this is what I'm missing. And as you might expect, none of them worked. Well, it worked for the gurus. They successfully took my money. But I got nothing in return. And one day I had enough. I had to find a way out of this vicious cycle. One day I found a post online saying that this website will pay me to give my opinion about a product. Sounded like a scam. But out of desperation, I decided to give it a go. After all, it was free and I had nothing to lose. To my surprise, I got an instant payment to my account. Wow. At this moment, I knew I was onto something. I couldn't stop. For the next week, I couldn't sleep. I worked 24/7. And every time I finished, I would get rewards and payments. My dopamine levels went through the roof. I was working like a machine, but I wanted more. I wondered if there was any other platforms that pays for our opinions. So I decided to reach out for some help from a friend of mine. I called my coworker, Dave. Dave is someone who I trust his judgment. He worked in the IT department in the same company I worked in. So I explained the whole thing to him. I even showed him how much I made so far and how I do it. He was stunned. For a few minutes, he couldn't even talk. He was amazed by how all of this works. He kept watching over my shoulder how I did it. Then from the top of his lungs, he screamed, "I can make this work!" Oh, I forgot to tell you. Dave is a fucking genius. He knows how to code like I know how to drink a six-pack. Fast forward 13 months. We finally had a working app. After 13 months of no sleep, caffeine overdose, 14 plus hours staring at my screen, it was a lot of work, but I'm glad I did it. Because what I'm about to show you changed my life forever. And I'm very proud to tell you that it's something you have never seen before. Hey, it's Johan here, and I'm happy to introduce you to OpinionBank, the world's first system that pays me to give my opinions. I know it sounds strange, but just look at the payments I get on a daily basis. Payments quickly add up to $1,000 each week. And here's the best part. You don't have to do anything special. You don't need any previous experience. Exciting, huh? It's all possible by leveraging a $1.3 trillion loophole. If you think this works only for me, you're wrong. It works for anyone. I shared this exact system with hundreds of people. All of them are making money. Take a look at just a few of our members' earnings. Sam E., a single father from Colorado, USA. Mattia M., an ex-construction worker, Atlanta, USA. Roberta P., stay-at-home mother, Lyon, France. All of this is possible by using the power of OpinionBank. Oh, did I mention that you use it from anywhere in the world? It works on your laptop or mobile. All you need is just an internet connection and you're good to go. Are you ready to join over 300 plus profitable members? It's very easy once you have the system. We left no stone unturned. Everything you need to start getting a plethora of $27 payments are included in our system. Nothing else is required. You probably think it's going to be expensive, right? Wrong. You see, when I first started, I was in a really bad place. I had mountains of debt and barely any money coming in. And it killed me to see everything that can help me be very expensive. I couldn't afford it, although I needed it the most. It felt like the system is designed to make the rich richer. Nothing makes me more angry than that. And although it took me 13 months and tens of thousands of dollars to develop OpinionBank, I'm willing to slash the prices down for you, just to give the chance to anyone who seriously needs it to get it. You see, originally I charged $227 a month for OpinionBank, but I won't charge you anywhere near that. Look, I'm 100% sure you've been burned before, and I know you work hard every day just so you can survive. So for a limited time only, you will only pay a small one-time price. That's the same as a cheap t-shirt. That way I can make sure that people who really need that system get it. There is a catch though. While this system is impossible to saturate, our systems can handle only so many customers at once, because we want to give our members the best care in the world and help each one of them to succeed. We can't accept more customers than we can handle. That's why we'll be closing this system once we reach that point. After that, you can't access it anymore. Oh, and I almost forgot. You're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you didn't like OpinionBank, just send us a message and we will refund every single penny you paid. What are you waiting for? Click the button below and secure your copy of OpinionBank at a low one-time fee. I'll see you on the inside.